Do you know you can use dual WhatsApp, dual Facebook, and dual Instagram, and a lot of other apps on a single device? And this method goes on both Android and iOS. And the good news about it is that everything is free. There is no registration or payment is needed. But before we get into that, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're first time passing by, kindly subscribe, like, and share for you get notified each time I drop a new video. Actually, I do call my subscriber fam as in family because they are so important to me. So as said earlier, on today's video I will guide and direct you on how you can use dual WhatsApp, dual Facebook, dual Instagram, and a lot of other apps on a single device. All what you need is just your smartphone, being an Android or an iOS device, and internet connection. So without hesitating, fam, let's go into it. Okay, so we just have to head onto our Play Store for Android user. You click on it. Once it open, you go at the search bar. Okay, there at the search bar, you just have to type in parallel space. Parallel space. Okay, so it takes you to our parallel space app. This is located at the top side of our screen, so you have to click download, which actually takes about a minute or two for it to get download. And once you're done downloading, so you just have to click open. Okay, so here is our app. It is open. You just have to click on continues. Okay, you have to accept. Okay, you have to allow and give it permission to use other apps. You have to allow parallel space to have access into your photo and other media devices and files. Okay, so that is it. It takes about some seconds to clone up your apps. So you have to click on start. Okay, so here is it. You can see a lot of apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Gmail, YouTube, Chrome, Instagram, Snapchat, and Skype. And here you can add other apps. That's at the bottom part of it. You can add a lot of other apps onto your parallel space. So with this method, you can use dual WhatsApp on a single phone, dual Facebook on a single phone, dual Messenger, which, as I said, everything is free. So you just have to click on add to parallel space. Okay, you have to give it permission. Okay, so here is our parallel space, which means we have a lot of apps, as you can see, and there is a room where you can add more apps as seen below. So I think this method is so easy and very fast. So I wish you the best. If you really like the video, please subscribe on my YouTube channel if I really do appreciate. So I wish you the best as you try this on your smartphone, and have a nice day.